Hello and welcome to DB Overland's Gebo Meet and Greet. I just want to say thank you for everyone who showed up, and this video is for those people and to show everyone what DB Overland's meet and greets are all about. On day one, it was a short drive to the town site of Gebo from camp. Now, Gebo was established in 1907 and remained actively mining until 1938. Once the mines were shut down, Gebo slowly began to be a ghost town, and in the late 70s, the town of Gebo was bulldozed over, and what remains today is foundations of the old processing plants and some of the old housing. After checking out the town site of Gebo, we headed out to find the old ruins of the coal mines. Now, these coal mines produced a ton of coal back in its day, and it's amazing to see what manpower it took to mine all this coal out of the ground. Our second stop on our adventure was the Owl Creek Coal Company mine location. This was a very large operation with several shafts leading deep underground to tunnels spreading out for miles. All the coal that came out of Gebo came from these mines. After checking out the Burnell mine location, we headed out on the trail. This trail was full of obstacles and wonderful scenery. This trail would lead us to our third destination for the day. Our first obstacle on our trail was this washout. This was a great place for people to truly see what their vehicles can do, and it allowed others to get out and enjoy watching everybody pass through one at a time. Also, it gave a great opportunity for some good photos.
There you go.
Send it, right?
My good friend Chris was our entertainment with this obstacle. His Tundra was just a little too big for this washout, but with a little bit of finesse and a little skinny pedal, he was able to get right through it. Third passenger, our passenger.
Just don't have enough. Too long. So long.
Okay, right there. You're gonna have to give a little bit more momentum. Yep, right there. Come on back. Yeah, that rear is completely off the ground. So, okay, right there. Carry a little bit more. It's gonna drop in the bottom pretty quick. So, or in the back.
Get it! It was soft.
My good friend Bob brought his mother along for the event and decided to entertain us by trying to scare his mother all day long on the trail. But in the end, she had a big smile on her face and enjoyed every minute of it.
Oh no, we're all gonna die!
Our third stop for our adventure was Paul Bunyan's Marbles. This was an amazing place where lava bubbled out of the ground thousands of years ago. After eating lunch and stretching our legs, we headed out for our final destination for our adventure. But for this one, You'll just have to come next year to see what it is. On day 2 of our meet and greet, we packed up camp and we headed out to the ghost town of Kerwin. The little town of Kerwin runs deep with history, from prospectors coming out in the late 1800s to seek the gold in the mountain, and Amelia Earhart coming out to vacation at the Double D Ranch, and even having a cabin constructed for her vacationing in the summertime. This little town still stands today, protected by the Forest Service, and is welcome for all to walk through its streets to admire what once was. After checking out the town site of Kerwin, we headed down off the mountain to our next camp location, which was a beautiful campsite located right on the creek and just down the valley from the Double D Ranch. To get to Kerwin, you have to cross the main drainage several times, and on our way back to camp, a few of the members in the group decided that they would try to splash the camera girl as they drive by. The Double D Ranch that Amelia Earhart once vacationed at was just above our campsite, and the scenery around camp was just absolutely amazing and took your breath away. Thank you everyone for coming to DB Overland's first meet and greet, and I'm excited to see you next year, and I'm excited to see all the new faces that will be attending DB Overland's meet and greet in the future. Thank you everyone. Until next time, we'll see you later.